The nominees are
Be Still My Heart, Hiliu.
Aloha everyone. We are Hiliu. We are excited to share our music with spiritual Hawaiian chants and traditional Hawaiian music. Most people who are not familiar with Hawaiian music are surprised how Hawaiian music uses their original instruments. We mix traditional and contemporary sounds so that you would even find something new through our music. We hope that everyone can enjoy the beauty of Hawaiian music with ease and intimacy. Queen Liliuokalani was the last queen of the Hawaiian kingdom and composed many beloved songs in her time. This project aims to pay homage to her 100-year-old songs, so as to perpetuate her musical talent as assets in the education field for our future generations. Some of her original songs are not available as analog records, only as handwritten musical scores. Our aim is to digitally conserve Queen Liliuokalani's songs with our unique and welcoming arrangements to make the original more contemporary and accessible for listeners of all ages. As you've already known, there are a lot of tourists coming to Hawaii. Most of the time, they spend time and money by going to the beach, shopping, and sightseeing, which is great from an economic perspective as a beach resort. But it is only one bright side of Hawaii. Unfortunately, most tourists don't know what Hawaii has been through in the past. You may know Hawaii was a kingdom. When Hawaii became a part of the United States, there are lots of drama behind the scene which native Hawaiians weren't willing to. For example, did you know the last queen of Hawaii, Liliuokalani, was confined at home until her death? We tend to see what we would like to see. You will never find genuine Hawaii unless you open your eyes. Luckily, our debut album was nominated for Nahoku Hanohano Award. Now we are starting to make the second album. It's called We Are in Love and planning to record 17 songs. We will record many variations of contemporary music this time, such as bossa nova, swing jazz, classic, and of course Hawaiian as well. We try to present a revival of Royal Hawaiian Bands, which Queen Liliuokalani loved back in the time when Hawaiian Kingdom has a halcyon period at Iolani Palace. Adding to flute and horn with strings, we compose traditional Hawaiian beats and sound. We love you to understand our music more. We enrich our booklet by adding Hawaiian and English translation. You can find descriptions of the songs in Japanese and English. It is not just learning the songs with historical background and details of the behind the scene, but also you will get some Hawaiian knowledge through this booklet. It takes a lot of money and time to produce a high quality album. We are aware of that. Originally, we were supposed to allocate the profits from subsequent live concerts into this project. Unfortunately, this hasn't happened as all our events and concerts were cancelled due to the COVID-19. This drastically affected our plans and future performances. We are asking for your support in bringing this project back to life so that the sparkling musical gems of Queen Video Kalani can be heard once again throughout the world. Thank you for your support.